if Ramadan, if it's starting and all the countries are following according to the Sunnah, so they're locally sighting the moon, then is it possible that between around the world, let's say in USA and in Bangladesh, that there's a 2-day difference?
Oh yes, there is possibility. In Pakistan itself, in the country, never mind going to Pakistan, America and England. I know in Pakistan there was 3 days difference in the same country. The north, they fast different from the middle fast different from the east, from the south. Somebody said to me, there's the 3 days difference between the south and the north, or between the south and the middle. I can't remember. Each one follows his own. You see, some Muslim sects they don't really go by the sighting. Like for example, the Brailwis. The Brailwis, they don't go by the sighting. They are going by the moon, by the calculation, sorry. So they don't sight the moon. So for them already, they know what day is Ramadan. They know what day is Ramadan. Even sometimes they will have a vote.
Yeah.
It happened in Manzil Way in Oxford, which is the Eid. I remember that, and the guy was recording it. And they're saying that, what do you want, guys? Tomorrow the Eid or the day after? So they're having hands. Hi, day Eid, yeah, tomorrow, yes. The other one, no, we want it the day after. So they're having a vote because they have a difference between the Brailwis themselves. One masjid did the Eid in this way, and Madma. So they're having, which one shall we go? The other one said, no, we don't want to be with the Wahhabis. We want to be on our own. Okay. So it's a voting system here, the moon. Allah musta'an.